Achieving high titers quickly while helping to ensure quality, scalability, and regulatory readiness is one of the biggest hurdles in cell line development.
Traditional workflows can take months, consuming significant resources and delaying the path to market of your potentially life-changing new therapy.
The Gibco CHOvantage GS Cell Line Development Kit helps remove these barriers. With an optimized workflow, integrated Transposon-Based vector system, and next-gen Gibco Efficient Pro system, you can reach MAB titers of over 7 grams per litre and achieve clones in as little as 14 weeks, with highly productive pools in typically 4 weeks. CHOvantage utilizes a transposon-based vector system, which integrates genes more reliably and consistently across clones than traditional, less predictable systems. The efficiency of the transposon-based system helps minimize clone-to-clone variability and increases the likelihood of developing high-performing, stable production cell lines. Scale production with confidence, with exceptional stability for up to 100 generations. Gibco CHOvantage also includes research use rights and royalty-free commercial licensing. Drive your performance forward and transform your cell line development process. Visit thermofisher.com/CHOvantage to learn more today.